Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 11 of the Merry Craftmas series. Hopefully you all had a wonderful holiday with your family. New Year's Eve is just around the corner and I am so looking forward to 2022. It will be a fabulous year. If you think it, it will be. In today's video, I have some fun packaging ideas for gifting Ferrero Rocher truffles or Lindor chocolates. Before I review this project in further detail, I want to announce the winner of my third hidden giveaway. As a reminder, the question for the hidden giveaway is, what is your favorite Christmas food? There will be two prizes awarded. The first is a Christmas cracker with a special gift, and the second is a free digital paper collection from Salty Beach Scrapper. Let's see who the lucky winner is. And the lucky winner is Simply Shantae. Yay! Congratulations, Simply Shantae. You are the lucky winner of the third hidden giveaway. Please be sure to check the description box below for information on how to claim your prize. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Now let's continue on with our project. I've created these adorable mini gift boxes. We have a hinged box here and a pillow box here. I think these boxes make a beautiful presentation and a wonderful way to gift these Ferrero Rocher or Lindor chocolates. If you remember, a few months ago, I did a Christmas in July series where I showed you how to make each of these boxes. I created this using a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK, and I'll be sure to include the link in the description box below. If you do not have an electronic cutting machine, don't worry. What I love about MYSCRAPCHICK is that they always give PDF files so that people who don't have an electronic machine can also create fun projects. You can simply purchase the file, print out the PDF, and then copy it onto your favorite cardstock or designer paper, and then cut the project out by hand. It'll show you exactly where the score lines are so that you can make these boxes easily. For the hinged boxes, I was able to fit 5 of these Ferrero Rocher chocolates. And for this pillow box, let me give you a closer look. Here's another example. You can fit 4 Ferrero Rocher candies in here or Lindor chocolate truffles. These are a really easy project to make, and it's a lovely presentation. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind, the name of these files are called the Poinsettia Hinged Box and the Poinsettia Pillow Box. Don't let that name fool you. You can simply change the paper on this poinsettia to pink, green, or lilac and use this box for any season throughout the year. It's a very versatile project. This concludes my review of these beautiful candy boxes. If you stay tuned, I'm going to include the original tutorial that shows you how to make each of these boxes step by step. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for our last project. You don't want to miss it because I'll be giving away my final giveaway, and I have some really fun prizes. Up next is our project tutorial. The first project that we're going to be making is the Poinsettia Hinged Gift Box. I have uploaded the file into Cricut Design Space and have cut everything out on my Cricut Maker. The paper collection that I'm going to be using for the next few projects is the North Pole Gazette. This is one of my favorite paper collections, and this is a hot buy from Michaels. Included in your file is the box. Now, to save time, I have already folded along each of the score lines, and I've added the decorative paper and also distressed it with black soot ink. You'll also receive this belly band, and you'll receive 5 flowers to make the poinsettia. Each of them range in size. For this flower, I've cut the paper out in this fun reindeer print. You'll also receive the leaves. Now, I've also distressed the leaves and each of the petals on the poinsettia. So I'm going to set this aside. Before we make the box, you want to distinguish the top from the bottom. In this case, the top has this little curved area here, and on the bottom you have 3 panels. We're going to turn this over and we're going to assemble the base of the box first. We are going to glue these tabs to these side panels. So you've got 4 tabs here, here, and here, and we're going to glue them together so that the boxes connect just like so, and we're going to do that on all 4 sides. So let's glue the first one together. I'm going to make sure that you get the glue all the way out to the edge and line this up, and we'll move on to the next side. Again, lining the edges. You want them to be nice and crisp. Now we're going to take these back tabs here and we're going to glue it to the inside here, just like so. If this top box gets in your way, just simply fold it back, and we're going to do it to the other side. You want to burnish these tabs, make sure there's a nice strong adhesion. Now you'll have a piece that looks like this. Next, we want to put glue on these side tabs. These are going to be folded in and then down to secure the box. So we're going to put glue on this tab here, and we're also going to put glue on this inside tab here. And this is going to be glued down just like so. Go in with your bone folder and burnish. And you can see how sturdy the box has become already. Okay, so we're going to put glue on this inside tab here, and then here. Fold this top piece down, and then fold down again, and burnish. Now we're going to finish the top, and to do that, we are going to fold the lid down, and then we're going to glue the tabs in just like so. By gluing down the box this way, you will ensure that you have a nice snug fit. So let's go ahead and glue down these tabs. Okay, line up these edges, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And so you've got a nice secure box. Next, we're going to add the belly band. I've already folded along the score lines and I've inked the edges. I'm going to wrap the belly band around just like so to make sure there's a nice snug fit. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue this down. Next, we're going to make the poinsettia, and this is a completed one. In the center, I've added in the little foam vase fillers that you purchase from Dollar Tree. Normally, you see these during the holidays, and I have gold, I have silver, and I also have red. Now, these little canisters are the craft canisters that you normally see during Christmas. I also think that this is perfect for holding little items like this. To make this poinsettia, you're going to have the leaf, and I've already inked the edges, and you want to assemble this by size. You want to have the largest on the bottom, and to give this some dimension, what you want to do is just take something, I'm using my little Cricut spatula, and just curve the edges. You want to be careful because these little edges here around the poinsettia are very delicate, so you just want to take your time. And you want to do that to each of the layers of the poinsettia. So I'm going to go ahead and finish curling each of these leaves, and then we'll be back to layer the poinsettia together. I have curled each of the leaves of the poinsettia. Now I'm going to curl the leaves. And to do that, I'm simply taking this spatula and I'm curving the leaves around it. Then we are going to glue these together. Now what you want to do is make sure that you have this alternating. The leaves should be just like this. And see how this poinsettia has so much dimension simply by curling the edges? Now I'm going to put a large dollop of glue here in the center. And I'm just going to take some of these little foam beads and just add it in the center. You want to make sure you press it down. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more glue around the edges just to make sure everything is held in tightly, because this glue will dry clear. Pat these beads down. Give it a few seconds to dry. I'm going to set this one aside and we're going to work with this one. I'm going to take my leaf and I'm going to glue the center right onto this little circle right here. And then I'm going to put glue right here on the bottom and press that down. And here is our little poinsettia gift box. I'm going to embellish this a little bit more and then I'll be back with the final reveal. This is the completed hinged box. I really love the way this turned out and it's so simple. The paper that I used is got a rustic country charm to it, and I love the little reindeer poinsettias. I added in a little bow, a little sentiment here that says Noel, and then these little gems. I did make one modification. I cut the belly band so it doesn't go around the entire perimeter of the box. The reason I did that is because this lid is pretty secure. And so there's a nice snug fit. When I open it up, I added in some red crinkle paper. But as you can see, it's got a nice fit. And that way you don't have to worry about sliding the belly band on and off to get to the inside of the box. So that is our first project. I'm going to grab the materials for our second project. I'll be right back. Next, we're going to assemble the poinsettia pillow boxes. These are the items that come in the file. You have the pillow box, and to save time, I've gone ahead and folded along the score lines. So there's a main fold here, and then here, and then you can bend slightly along these curved areas here on the top and bottom. Then you have the belly band, and there's a score line here in the center and then on the edge here. This will close just like so. And then you have a smaller belly band. I've gone ahead and assembled the poinsettia. This time I've used these silver beads, and here are the leaves. To make the box, we are going to fold over the pillow box just like so, and we're going to put glue right here. I'm just going to fold this flap over, make sure these ends meet, and then burnish. Then I'm going to bend the center here. And this area here that doesn't have a little scallop area, this goes down first, just like so. And then this piece will fold right over. And we're going to fold down the other side, just like so. Now you want to take this piece, and we're going to wrap it around, just like so. You want to make sure it has a nice snug fit. We're going to put glue on this tab here. Now I'm going to attach this belly band to the box because I don't want it to slide around. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue underneath just to hold it in place. And then we're going to take this piece, and the circle goes in the center, and we're going to wrap this around. So you'll see that there's a little angled tab here that's going to go underneath. So we can go ahead and glue that down. Now we can put down our leaves and our poinsettia. just going to put a little glue on this center here. And there we go, easy peasy. I've created another pillow box. I'm going to add a few more embellishments to this, and then I'll be back with the final reveal. These are the two style of boxes that we made today. We made the Poinsettia Hinged box, and we have two different examples. And we also made the Poinsettia Pillow Box. As you can see, these boxes are really easy to put together. However, by adding simple embellishments, this makes a beautiful and elegant presentation. This concludes my review of my pretty poinsettia gift boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.